Hi everyone, here's your homegirl Nikki. I'm back to show you this amazing eye tutorial today. What I like to do is always use my amazing color design palette, and we're going to work our way all the way out to the side. Make sure you have full coverage. Gorge. Oh my god, do you see how pretty that looks? Pretty! Now we're going to take it to our little stunted brush. This is what I like to call it because it has shorter bristles here, so it's better for the contouring. Work it. Work. Work. Fabulous! And we're going to move over to our mascara, which is our final touch, and I like to use and yeah, we're going to just get started on our mascara. And I love to start at the base and then move my way inside. So we're going to just start here.